Hello guys, Windows operating system error code appears when you try to automatically back up the system files and folders. And to fix this issues, open Windows settings, click on about, here click on system protection. In the appearing window under the system protection tab, click on configure. Under protection settings option section, click on configure. Here turn the toggle button on against turn on system protection, and also under disk space uses click on delete. Once the process is complete, click on apply and OK. The next method is perform a system restore. Press bin plus R shortcut key to open run command box, and here type rstrui to open system restore windows. In system restore windows, click on next. Here choose a system restore point and click on next. Confirm your system restore point, click on finish. If this method does not work, go to the next fixes, reset this PC and take backup. Type reset this PC in Windows search, click on reset this PC. Choose keep my files. Now select the cloud reset or follow on screen instruction to complete the backup procedure.